Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. So today I'm going to be cleaning my beauty room. It has gotten a little messy this week, from doing makeup and filming and all that good stuff. So yeah guys, I have some laundry there that I have to fold and put away, blankets and all that good stuff. And I also have to clean my brushes, which, oh my god, I dread cleaning my brushes. Please comment down below who else dreads cleaning their brushes, because I feel like, oh my god, it hurts my hands. It takes me forever. So yeah, guys, I will put that a separate video for that on how I clean my brushes. So yeah, I'm just organizing stuff from my desk. I hate when it gets a little cluttered and things get disorganized. I kind of do have OCD. Like, I have to have things nice and clean. And just like when it's messy, I don't feel motivated. I don't feel inspired to, film or do anything like that. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be cleaning, showing you guys how I clean it. And so yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications to let you know when I upload a video, which is 3 times a week. And also, guys, get to become part of the butterfly family as well. So Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you get motivated also to clean your house or your beauty room. So yeah guys, I love the fact when everything is nice and clean, and just a nice clean space is always amazing. Always get me inspired, and you know, I just love having everything nice and clean. And in this place, that's just, I have like OCD for real. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. I hope you get motivated to clean any space that you have at home. And like I always say, God bless you guys.